Hello guys! Unboxing my new smart Michael Kors watch. Ito na, i-open ko na tong aking one of my favorite is Michael Kors smart watch. Ito yung ano niya, Michael Kors Access Quick Start Guide. Yan siya. Tapos, ito ang kanyang Michael Kors Access. Ito na si Michael Kors Smartwatch. Ayan na siya. Ang ganda, diba? My color, it was a rose gold with a mix middle like a pearl, and then here she got this diamond around in the dial. So tatry ko isuot. Ayun na, kaso lang malaki yung bracelet, kailangan kong papaliitan. Ganda, diba? My new collection, my watch, Michael Kors smartwatch. So I have to connect this to my phone. Very nice, early present for me. So lucky. I love Michael Kors. There we go. So I think yan lang yata ang laman na. Oh yeah, the charger, and it's got everything inside. Okay, so kailangan kong i-charge muna ito. And then, after charge, I need to connect this smartwatch to my phone. So, kailangan kong charge muna. So, ito yung, ayan. So, ito yung access niya, Michael Kors. At ito yung quick start guide. So, balik muna natin ito sa box. At kailangan ko itong i-set up my smartwatch. There we go. The Michael Kors smartwatch. Thank you. Present from my hubby. Thank you guys.